after the demolition, putting this new kitchen together was a phenomenal experience. This beautiful countertop, I loved it because it was a light color for a small house, and it looks like a river running through my kitchen. I got the biggest sink I could get in here, and I love that too. It's multifunctional. My dishwasher it's wonderful to have. Let's see what else. The cabinets, they did a fantastic job with the cabinets. They're all easy, soft close cabinets. I got a built-in microwave so that I wouldn't be using up counter space for that. This was all installed, custom installed, to fit the refrigerator in there. And they actually tore out some of this wall over here and put in the French doors.
Oh.
They did all of those lovely things, and they came together beautifully.